Meizu M6, and let me show you how to change the font size on the following device. So at first, let's open the settings, then find and select the display and brightness, scroll down a bit, and here you'll find screen zoom and font size. And scroll down a bit, here you can, just by tapping on the scale, you can select the display size, you can pick the small one, normal or large, here you can look how it will look like. And then pick the font size, so you can pick the medium, large, or even larger, so it's very actually huge. Let me go back to medium, and if you will go back, the changes have been already made, so it's way bigger than it was. If you would like to go back to default settings, simply open screen zoom and font size one more time and go to normal settings, and now we are back in default one and default display. So that's it. This is how you can easily change the font size on your phone, on your Meizu M6. You can do it whenever you need to. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.